Hey guys, it's me, Koreé-Tube, and I'm going to be honking the horn 3 to 5 times if anybody's out here to see what their reaction is. And it's the reason why I'm kind of sweating right now is because it's hot in here and I had to leave the door closed so nobody knows that I'm honking the horn. Honking the car. And I just don't feel like talking out loud. I'll do it in 3, 2, 1. And I'm not doing it that loud. I'm not gonna be just spamming that junk too much. I'm just gonna just light tap. I hope I don't get caught. Because if I get caught, I'm cooked. That's 3. I gotta do this 2 more times and just act like that wasn't me. One more. My gosh, I'm surprised I'm getting away with this. Just want to make sure that nobody's near the car. I'm low-key sweating right now. I should have honked it. Alright, the next one is going to be a loud one. Okay, this might take a while. And as you can see, I'm sweating bullets right now. Wait, I think I see the next person coming. Okay. 3, 2, 1. And I was definitely thinking of this, and I just did it for fun, and hopefully I don't get caught. If I do, RIP to me, because they're probably going to tell my mom, and I'll see y'all later.